So, this is part 2 of making pancakes because quarantine. Yay! So, we have got the pancake here.
Right,
and
cool.
Now, the batter. Okay, so we're just gonna wait for this to cook.
Yeah, we're just gonna make the pancake cook here. Do you know what you want on your pancakes, Avery?
Nutella.
Nutella, okay.
We have a big jar of it.
It's like a chocolate hazelnut spread that's all the rage in the UK. I think I've got some.
This is what a UK fridge looks like.
Yeah. Ooh. Now this is nice for me.
Yeah.
I've got some actual maple syrup here, so
cool.
that's good. From Canada.
Cool.
Wow, so that'll set you back. And yeah.
So now we have the spatula.
Yeah, cool. We have a spatula. Do you know where the Nutella is?
I thought it was in the cupboard over there.
Okay, well, we'll hope it is. Is that ready to flip over? Yes, just about. A pretty thin pancake, this one.
Okay, that's okay.
Yeah. I don't know. I could try to do a flip. Should I just do a flip and then humiliate myself?
Maybe, but probably not. That would go very wrong, probably.
Flip the pancake like that. Oh yeah, it's barely even done on that side. Okay, well I'm gonna go look for the Nutella.
Okay, and we'll just have a video of this cooking.
Yep. The Nutella.
Why did you say that in a French accent?
I don't know, just joking around. I don't see it actually.
Oh. Okay. This is bad. Search more.
Search more. Well, I'm sure it'll be somewhere.
Okay.
Yeah, it's this sort of chocolate hazelnut gloop. But I don't know. I think chocolate and hazelnuts together is a bit weird.
Well, we found out that Nutella and pancakes go together well when we went to Butland's and they were serving that at a little stall, and we loved it so much that we decided to put it in our pancakes.
Somebody making it on toast there. I prefer the traditional maple syrup from Canada.
Okay.
Sort of, which costs like an arm and a leg. I don't even tell it costs very much, which is good news for me. But yeah, in Europe they're all crazy about adding hazelnut to chocolate wherever possible.
Yeah, so then they made Nutella.
Yep. Whereas I have tree sap with mine.
A girl named Ella got some nuts, then made Nutella, then named it after herself.
Yep.
Well, I don't know if that's true, but I think it would be.
Very likely.
No. Now we have a plate.
Yeah.
Okay, so whose pancakes that gonna be?
It's almost certainly gonna be yours, I think.
Okay.
Oops. Yep.
Cookie cutter man!
Oh yeah, hello, I'm a cookie cutter man. Pot man, pot cookie.
Cutter.
Yep. Very neat.
Here is my plate. I don't know why I'm zooming in on the plate. Here is the pancake! Yeah. Yay!
Yay!
It looks like a one from the store, but homemade pancakes are really good, and now we just shared the recipe.
Yep, it's a pretty simple recipe. I think this is pretty much...
Yeah, we made that in like 13 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. That's how you make a good pancake in 13 minutes.
Yeah, 13 minutes to pancake perfection. I think it's almost looks like a flatbread the way I've done it. I don't know if it's supposed to do that, but...
Okay, well, usually the pancakes are a bit thicker, but I guess since we're recording, the pancake just decided to go wrong.
No, it should be, this is almost like a crepe or something. Okay, I think I'll put this on the plate for you, Sophie.
Okay.
And then, kind of got to put it here so you might get burnificated. Okay, so there you go.
Yay!
Dump the next one on, it's a production line. There we go.
Yay!
And then with yours, it's gloop, just chocolate gloop, isn't it? There's no...
Here is the Nutella. It's a good Nutella.
Yeah, chocolate gloop, really. And somehow spread that chocolate glue on, but it doesn't really. I don't know how they do it.
I don't know.
It's like a plastic almost.
Yeah.
It smells nice. Actually, it really does smell like quite pleasant. Actually. Yeah.
It does, and I love it.
Yeah, it's kind of got a nutty
We
chocolate.
even have Nutella sticks, which is it says on the side. It's this. This is Nutella stick. It is very good.
Yeah, it sort of smells like chocolate and the peanuts, sort of almost, but not quite peanuts. It's a very, very tasty smell. Anyway, there you go, Soph. That's a complete mess.
You take the camera.
Okay. You want to do a taste test?
Yes, time to test it. Ooh, yeah.
This is where she throws up in horror. Is it okay? Yay, you got that good. I'm doing the other one here, so.
I think we should probably stop recording now so we can actually make the thing.
Okay, cheers. Thanks for watching the pancake videos.